Hi, my name is Kjenta. In 2019, I was part of the Operations Graduate Program, and right now I'm a first-line manager within Captrim in Ghent. So the Operations Graduate Program has given me a very good foundation because from the start we have been induced with the Volvo Group values as well as the core principles that lay at the base of the Volvo Group. Working for Volvo gave me many opportunities to develop myself as a person, but also developing my leadership skills. I see a lot of benefits from the program because, for instance, thanks to the Operations Graduate Program, I was able to broaden my network, but also I got a clear overview of the different sides, but also of the different activities within the Volvo Group. And normally you normally don't know this, and this way you get a better base to execute your job as part of the bigger organization. When I think of my future within the Volvo Group, I find it very hard since there are so many opportunities within Volvo, because both the horizontal as well as the lateral move across departments seem interesting to me. But I really like working with people, so that's something that I would really admire in my next function as well. And then I would really like to leave with one last point, because for me, the best thing about the Volvo Group is the welcoming atmosphere, because one of the core values is caring for each other. This is something that's not just written down, but it's something you feel on a daily basis when walking around in Volvo.